Hello everyone, and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 49. Today we demonstrate how to schedule Google Hangout meetings for some time in the future. So this video has been requested by several folks, and although I made a brief mention of it in Tech Tuesday number 37, the new Google Calendar, I haven't really shown how to set up a future Hangout meeting from start to finish. So one thing I should mention to viewers outside of Georgia Southern is this. We have not yet moved to Google Meet, which is the new upgraded version of Hangouts. However, the instructions are mostly the same with a couple of minor differences that I'll point out as I go. So let's say that you want to set up a video conference call for a future date. You have a few people in mind that you want to join, and you want to reliably send them a link so that they can join quickly on the day of the meeting. You start off in Google Calendar and you simply click on the time and date that you would like to create the meeting for. So let's say we have an interview on Thursday at 4 p.m. I click there, type in the name of the event, set the time, let's say it's an hour and a half, and then you click more options. On the details page, you can go over here on the left-hand side and choose Add Conferencing. Then you'll choose Hangouts. Hangouts Meet comes with a couple of more options here. You can click View Details, and you can actually get the code right here. At any rate, the next step is to invite your guests. So go over here to Guests, and type in the email addresses of the guests you'd like to add. So I'll add myself here and I'll hit save. It's going to ask me if I want to send an invitation to the guest. That's great. You can go ahead and hit send. Great, so that person should have the event on their calendar. And when anybody clicks on the calendar event, as long as they click on the body of it, a little pop-up will appear and they can choose Join Hangouts. So clicking on that link will take them directly to that Hangout and they're able to join. One thing I should point out is that only the people that are invited to the event can click on the Hangout and join without having to ask for permission. This goes for pretty much anyone in your domain. People outside of your domain or people who are not on the guest list who somehow get that link will have to be allowed by you to join. If you'd like to get this URL to send out in an email or to post somewhere or anything else like that, just go ahead and click on Join Hangouts yourself as the host, and then when it launches, go up to the top and right-click and copy that. And that's it. In summary, you make the event, you add conferencing to it, and at that point, you join the meeting and get the link, or if you're on Hangouts Meet, you simply click on View Details and get the link there. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful, and if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and subscribe by clicking on the logo for Georgia Southern University there on the screen. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.